And it's the final one. The whole website has been built. Only thing left to do is putting in the page SEO stuff and the language switch, which is going to be here. As you can see in the Figma, it looks like that. Now I have not yet built a language switch that looks like this with a drop down, but I have done it with just the two languages next to each other. So let's see if I do it indeed like this or just next to each other. Since we're only dealing with two languages, there is not really any reason to put it in a drop down. But yeah, and what I have done already is activated the hosting and added one locale. You cannot add a locale without activating the hosting. So that's something that kind of comes together. So then you go into settings, and not the big settings, not here settings, not site settings, but settings here. There you have localization, and then you see that this is German, DE, and it's enabled, and then you can now add a new one because there is already a paid for locale, and that's going to be English. There's a lot of English. This one, the normal English. And that's it. And it's going to be Ian. And enable publishing, sure. And we say save. We don't need to put an image to it. I think this we cannot put on because we need a more a higher pay plan. And subdirectory /en, which is great. And that's it. Save changes. And that's all that you need to do to have a locale. So here then you can switch to English. And then on each page, I forgot where it was. It was like this. Oh no, you need body, that was it. On each body, you can say translate to English. And then you just go over all the pages. Just like that. And then translate to English. That's all there is to it. So you just go like this over every page. And then I have actually an official translation as well. But I first put in the how to translate, and then I just see if it's the same or not. And then I just have to like copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. A million copy pastes. So that's it. I'm not gonna do this now. But you see, it's like, yeah, it's there are some people that are kind of complaining, I think, about localization, that it's not how they thought it would be or something. And I think there's also a way to do it here in one go, but kind of for, because it's not there, it's not here maybe. No. Oh, this is also handy. Compress all the assets. That's of course also very handy to do. Or was it just per? Here. This is so you cannot yet translate the whole collection in one go, but you can translate the whole page in one go. I guess it's a matter of time that you can just click on one button and say, okay, translate the whole freaking website, because there's not much reason really why you want to do it one page at a time. But yeah, well, you know, if this is what we have to do, then I would say let's not complain too much about it, right? And you see, like here everything is not colored, and then translate fields, and then you see that these are translated. It would be nice if you could just do it like this. So select all, and then update, translate all. But yeah, no, not yet possible. And where was I? Here, I think. This has been done. This is not. Yes, it's also been done. This, yes. This as well. This not. I'm just gonna finish this one, otherwise I'm halfway and don't know where I was. I will not bother you with seeing me click through each collection. But you can see it goes pretty quick. And I think this is how many? 27 items. That's not too bad. That's it. So yeah, that's it for setting it up. And then of course now we need in here, we need to add, I'm not sure what it's called, language switch. Oh no, that you can also do actually. I'm not sure how the element is called, but it's here somewhere at the bottom. Local lists is what it's called. So we want that to be here. And we call that hello. Now I'm gonna call it language switch. And it kind of works similar to a CMS collection. See, like this would be your collection thing. There will be a row. This would be your call. So in here you actually have the content. So in this case, this would then be a row. And then you have this in it. And this got a row with no gutter. And then this would be your language switch link. This is current. And this is not current. So we want to style this one. And we can look here. Text S. Regular. Already thinking I'm missing something. So yeah, it's text S, font weight 400. So we can just do it here. Let's first put the spacing right. So you see here also you have your current locale. You have nothing, not sure. Which switch item. You also have the current locale styling. What you don't have here, that is kind of weird, is to say first, last. You know what I mean? Because with CMS items, you can say, okay, the last one should be like this, the first one, or even and uneven. Here you don't have that. But anyways, we don't want it. No, we don't need that. Just go here. We don't want it to be that. We want some flash around it. 0.5 seems to be okay. And then we're gonna put also a spacer. Spacer like that, probably. It's okay. And no wrap. Does it fit within the... That's okay. Okay. And then the current, we make that medium or regular. I think regular, it was regular. Just like that. And we could, I guess, put it in a drop-down menu. But like I said, to me, when you only have 2 languages, it doesn't make much sense to do that. But if you would want to have it in a drop-down, then of course, yeah, you have to do some heavy-duty construction work, because the way it is, you know. Because you want yeah, that's not gonna be that easy, I guess. Oh, it is already dropped down. Doesn't make any sense. Oh, that is the navigation. Why did I want to do that? So now this thing is not really functioning as a drop down, I guess. So if you want to make this a drop down, then you're gonna have to build it from scratch. So you will have to put in all the functions and all the stylings and everything. because there's not really any settings on this element. It's not that you can say, okay, you want to act like a drop-down menu. So for now, this is, I think anyways, the better solution, just to have these two elements. And then I want I want the even ones to have one line gray, I guess. So we need in custom code for this thing. I never know how to do that. Even, uneven, styling. Here we go. And this is this one. So what we need is, it's attached to the TR. So yeah, it's attached to the element that is. Let's go out of here, global styling, and then we add it here. And I'm just going to say save for now. And I want to know how I call this thing, like that. And then we go back into here. And we say, oh, what was it? Double dot link, double dot, and then the even should be border 0 pixels. Let's make this nice. Save. Did I do something wrong? I think I did it correctly, right? Yeah, I did do it correctly. Is it not border? Is it border something? I don't know. CSS border. Thickness is border weight or something? Border width. Yeah, okay. Ah, yeah. Come on. Still not. Give me a break. Okay, guys, help me here. Okay, I don't know. It looks fine by me. Yeah, see, it's fine. Yeah, it's like every even child element. Or maybe that is the problem then. Because it's actually a child and it's not. So it's the child that we are talking to and not the siblings. So is this done? Come on. Okay, I give up. I'm not gonna bother doing this now. It's already late. Let's stick to what we're gonna do next. The standard stuff. No, not there. Here. So this is just the standard SEO stuff, and what we're gonna do with that is this is fine. And then we see here on the home page that for text we have that we could put in. This probably the description. Why is this off? And this is on the same, of course. And then we need, yeah, come on. Whoa, why are all these in here? These come out of the CMS. And now they're in the library. That is quite strange. Since when does that happen? When you convert it or compress it? I think it's probably nice to use this in the title. Like so. And then it's just a matter of doing the same like with the translations. Going over this and pretty much doing the same. And in this case, I think it makes sense to strategy at what was it? Visors. Meta description. It's a bit minimalistic, but I guess it's okay. Save. I have a little mosquito here. And then go to the image. Where is it? the stones. Here. Copy, yeah, I know. And we paste that in here. Save. And that's it. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the evening. Going over these pages and adding that content in. I have to see with the these reference pages. Oh no, the reference page we don't want to get indexed, so that's good. Then I don't need to set anything there. Otherwise, I should probably have added like a meta description field into the CMS. And what you then can do is when you go into the template page, you can then add it here, you know, like add a field. And you pick the field that you want to use, and here you, and the same for here for the image. But since we're not gonna use, since these pages are not gonna be indexed, because the client doesn't want to index these, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna put and block them from indexing. That's it. This is the last video, everybody. I was looking at how long everything has taken, and this now has been recorded for what? I'm not sure. Like less than an hour, I guess. And I wrote down all the time. So in total we're about more or less 11 hours. If I add to that the stuff that I have done without recording, so making the two other search pages, what else was it, populating the collections, then I think it's fair to conclude that you can easily build a website like this in 2 days' time. That's quite remarkable, I would say. So yeah, there's huge amounts of profit that you can make when you build websites in Webflow, because of course this you probably can easily build for a week time, I would say, easily. So yeah, that's it. 11 videos from start to finish. We have a live website. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can leave your comments, of course, and I will answer them. And if you want to give small, medium, large a try, feel free. It's free clonable. Just go to smallmediumlarge.com. It's just my own personal framework that I use for everything, and it's not built out of any commercial site. So it's just what I use and have been using and will keep on using and will keep on updating, because I'm the one that's using it. And you can just, if you use it too, you can profit from me keeping it up to date. Like with upcoming releases, components, I'm not sure if you have realized there are already a lot of standard components built in it. I just really never use them. I just always build from scratch. Don't ask me why. It's just what I've been accustomed to. But of course soon we're gonna have the slots. So I'm gonna see how I can implement those. And then when really this whole stuff comes into power is when we get page building, what do you say it? You have the designer mode, editor mode, and page builder mode. And when this page builder mode comes into play, what you then get is that you can give your clients page builder access, which means that they will have like a stripped down designer, but they can create a new page using the page template, of course, and populate it using the pre-built components. And the cool thing with this, of course, is that these components, which you can also see in the style sheet, these components, of course, adapt to the settings that you have made and to the variables. So they are already more or less in sync with the design style. So we can just, of course, if this is going to go to a client, then of course you have to change these to the ones with a little line in front of it and make them the brand color. But yeah, with small adaptations, you can make this. This is ready for handoff to the client and saying like, okay, we have done all the work. We have given you pre-custom built components. Here's the power to create your own pages. You're gonna be, you're gonna make a marketing team very, very happy for sure. So yeah, okay. That's why I have them there. I don't use them, but I know that this is coming, so that's why I've built them already. That's it. 11 videos, one website done. It's been quite a task to record all this, but I hope some people will benefit from it. Until the next one. Bye.